Okay, it's another one completed. This one in my eyes is a pretty special car. This is a Gen 2 996 GT3 in Guards Red. This is, well, it belongs to a sort of long-standing client of mine. I think this is the fourth car I've done for him. This is in for a enhancement detail, headlight restoration and coatings. So as with most 996 headlights, they've gone very, very milky, very, very tarnished. All the UV lacquer began to peel off. So they were dry sanded 1000 grit, wet sanded 1000, wet 2000, wet 4000, and then machine polished back. They were obviously then, they're not being lacquered actually, those have been, they've got dual layers of Titan coatings on. Got PX10, and they've got Vulcan over the top, give them a good chance of surviving for a while. It's had wheels off, so wheels coated with Pyro Dark Matter. All the bodywork's received 2 stages of polishing, as I said. That's all received Titan Zeus and Titan Ultra V3. Given the age, obviously this is 66,000 miles old. Can't remember the year of it now. Obviously 996 gives it away as to its age. Incredibly good condition. Obviously Guards Red's a really rewarding colour. See, I had one in this colour, or a GT3 in this colour myself at one stage. Interior detail, exhaust tips coated with Pyro Dark Matter as well. Side glass, back glass has received Hyperglass Dark Matter. Bucket seats have all been cleaned, conditioned. Everything else is pretty good inside actually, to be honest. It's not actually had a lot of work done inside other than the seats and the carpets. For anybody's on Instagram, search hashtag fried egg GT3. You'll find Andy's Instagram account. I'm sure you'll see this one out and about a lot. It's not a garage queen by any means. Drives it properly. And now it's protected for the foreseeable future. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with any detailing related inquiries.